We'll guide you through how to sell on Amazon using Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Printify's website and sign up or log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new product. Choose from a variety of items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Use the design tool to upload your artwork and customize your product. Be sure to check the preview to make sure everything looks just right. After you're satisfied with your design, save your product. Next, you'll need to connect your Printify account to your Amazon Seller Central account. Head over to your Printify dashboard and under the Integrations tab, select Amazon. Follow the prompts to link your accounts. You might need to authorize the connection, so make sure you're ready with your Amazon seller credentials. Once linked, go back to your product and click on the Publish to Store button. Choose Amazon as your platform. You'll need to fill out additional information like pricing, shipping options, and product description. Make sure your descriptions are detailed and include relevant keywords to improve visibility on Amazon. Review everything once more to ensure there are no errors. When you're ready, confirm the listing and publish it. Your product is now on Amazon, ready to be purchased by millions of customers. Remember, managing your inventory and keeping an eye on your sales is important. So regularly check your Amazon Seller Central for updates. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.